In this video, you'll learn how to transfer Worldcoin to Binance. By following these steps, you will successfully move your Worldcoin from an external wallet into your Binance account, enabling you to trade or hold your assets effectively. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, locate the wallet option on the main navigation bar. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Deposit to proceed with obtaining your deposit address. After selecting Deposit, a new page will appear, prompting you to choose the asset you wish to deposit. Search for Worldcoin in the list and select it. Next, you will need to select the correct network that supports Worldcoin deposits. Once you've chosen the network, a deposit address will be generated. Carefully copy this address. It is crucial to double-check the accuracy of this address to ensure that your funds are directed to the correct location. Now, open the external wallet that holds your Worldcoin, look for the send or withdraw option, and select it to initiate the transfer. In the provided field, paste the Binance deposit address that you copied earlier. Make sure to choose the same network that you selected on Binance to avoid any issues with the transaction. Enter the amount of Worldcoin you wish to transfer and review the associated network fees before confirming the transaction. Once you've confirmed the transaction, it is important to monitor its status on the blockchain. Depending on network traffic and the required confirmations, this may take some time. After waiting for the necessary confirmations, check your Binance wallet balance to ensure the deposit reflects correctly. It is advisable to save the transaction hash for your records. If you notice any delays beyond the expected time frame, consider reaching out to Binance support for assistance. And there you have it. You've now successfully completed the tutorial on transferring Worldcoin to Binance. Thanks for watching and see you soon.